Hey everyone, it's Gloria Walker and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to explain why affiliate marketing on YouTube is so easy, okay? But first, if you like what you see and you want to continue learning, first subscribe to this channel and hit that bell to get instant notifications, okay? And oh, by the way, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you the 2 quickest ways to make money with affiliate marketing, okay? So let's jump right into this. Now, first I want to address that elephant in the room. Typically, when you hear the 2 words affiliate marketing, the first thing you think about is, scams, or you may have heard of somebody losing money online, or maybe you've lost some money online, okay? You also notice that the industry is growing bigger and bigger, or you may know someone entering into that industry, okay? Let me run by these quick stats real quick. Hold on for a second. Let me get these stats real quick. 81% of marketers and 84% of publishers leverage the power of affiliate marketing. In less than a year, the search interest for affiliate marketing grew by 44%. And Groupon is one of the most successful companies built on affiliate commissions. The top affiliate marketers are known to make 6 figures from the business. And Jason Stone, a well-known affiliate marketer, made $7 million in affiliate marketing revenue in a single year. Okay, so with those stats, you can see why people are flocking to this industry. So with all that being said, what's the attraction? Okay, so for one, to get into affiliate marketing, you don't have to invest in a 4-year college to get started. There's a lot of inventory, very low maintenance industry to get started. And you don't need a lot of equipment. All you need is the right product and the right niche. And check this out, you don't need to be any type of expert or know a whole lot about the product. Affiliate marketing on YouTube, if done right, could earn you up to 6 to 7 figures easily. And I just want to make this a disclaimer. That's not saying that you're guaranteed to make that, but it's possible to make that, okay? And there's an affiliate marketer by the name of Jason Stone. It looks like he's on Instagram. He made 7 figures in 18 months. No, 7 figures in a single year. It was in retail sales. I don't know what his product is. I don't know if it was fitness. Looks like it may have been fitness, but it was in affiliate marketing. Okay, so it's possible to make. Affiliate marketing is no different than any other business. I mean, there's crooks and scammers in every industry. You have scammers in education. You have scammers in law enforcement. You have scammers in law. You have scammers in just about every. Affiliate marketing is no different. So now that you stuck around until the end of the video, I'm going to give you the 2 quickest ways to make money in affiliate marketing. Number 1, research by niching down a product and by researching the affiliate marketing platform or service, okay? And number 2 is to provide value. If you're not providing the value, you're not going to make the money, okay? So those are the 2 quickest ways to make money with affiliate marketing. The more you give, the more you get back. So the next video in the series is why affiliate marketing is so much fun, and you can get to that video by clicking this link up here, I believe, or up here. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.